Hello, and welcome to our tutorial video. Today, we're going to demonstrate how to create a normal trip within our application, covering both the user and driver interfaces. First, let's introduce the user app. Notice this icon here, which indicates notifications. The icon indicates your current location, which you can set using this icon. Moving on, if you're looking for a driver nearby, this icon will show you the available drivers in your vicinity. For those wanting to create a trip, this icon right here allows you to do just that. Next, this particular icon opens the menu section where you'll find options such as your profile, payment, redeem, my bookings, history, documents, referral, settings, favorite drivers, and the Contact Us feature. You also have the option to log out from this menu. Now, let's shift our focus to the driver app. Similar to the user app, you can view your notifications here. If you're looking to initiate a trip, this icon will guide you through that process. The car icon indicates your current location. Your vehicle details are also on display, including the vehicle name, service type, and plate number. Depending on your vehicle service type, you can see the base price, distance price, and time price here. And if you need to add a new vehicle to your profile, you can do so with this function. Currently, we're not adding any vehicles. This information pertains to whether you prefer to engage online or offline. You have the capability to operate offline as well, and this section is particularly for online operations. If you choose to go online, you can easily do so. As for navigation, this part is dedicated to accessing the menu. Within the menu, you can include various options such as your profile, my bookings, history, documents, referral settings, earnings, payment options, redeem, contact information, and your bank details, and open ride available. And from there, you can also sign out of the app. So this is the basic introduction to both our user app and our driver app. Let's move on to creating a trip. To create one, click on the plus button. You'll then be able to add the address of your destination. You'll notice here the option to add stops. This functionality is particularly useful if a customer needs to make multiple stops along their journey. Moreover, there is a feature to add home addresses as well as workplace addresses for convenience. Additionally, you can able to set a pickup and destination location using the Set Location on Map. And not only can you set a location, but you can also schedule a trip for a destination at a later time. Finally, once your trip details are set, click on the Continue button to finalize your trip. You'll then be able to see the available service types in your city. For example, the sedan service type is currently available for your location. You can explore various trip options, including Now, Rental, Rideshare, and Open Ride. As we're following the standard flow, we'll select Now. Furthermore, there's a feature known as Trip Bidding. When the checkbox is selected, users initiate a request for bidding on their trip. However, for now, let's focus on the standard process. Following that, you can also access the estimated cost here. This estimate encompasses the base fare, distance fare, time fare, maximum size, cancellation fee, and applicable taxes. Your pickup address, destination address, timing, and distance are presented alongside pricing details, providing you with an estimated price. At this stage, you have the option to select your preferred payment method, which includes card and cash. If you choose cash, you can pay the amount in cash upon completion of your trip. Alternatively, if you prefer paying with a card, you can select that option, and the trip amount will be deducted from your card. Here, we are selecting card option. Following this, the estimated time of arrival, ETA, is displayed. The ETA indicates the time from your pickup location to the driver's location. Next, if you wish to create a scheduled trip, use the designated icon for that purpose. At this point, we're clicking on the Ride Now button. You can see here that a fixed price option is available. If you want to opt for a fixed rate, press the Yes button. Alternatively, if you prefer the time and distance fare, you can select the No button and we selecting No. We're proceeding with the regular time and distance fare. In the driver's app, a notification will appear, which allows drivers to receive and accept ride requests. Click on the Accept button if you want to proceed. If you need to reject, you have the option to reject this trip. For now, take a look here. In our driver app, the driver can view the user's information, such as username and user rating. The driver also has the ability to call or chat with the user. Similarly, this functionality is mirrored in our user app. The user can view all the driver's information, including the driver's name, vehicle type, and even the vehicle plate number. They can also see details about the driver's rating and have the option to share their trip with friends or family. We offer a feature for sharing trips as well. Additionally, users have the ability to contact the driver via call or chat. If a customer decides to cancel the trip, they are provided with the option to do so. Furthermore, users can also change their payment method. Currently, cash is selected as the payment method. Moving back to the driver app, we choose to start the trip. We inform the user that the driver is en route to their location. The next step is to tap when you arrive. Upon arrival, the user is notified that the driver has reached their location. At this point, we can also give the waiting time, which is the start of the waiting time. When the driver arrives, the waiting time begins. Once the free waiting time is over, waiting charges will apply. Then, look at the split payment option. If you want to split the fare with your friends, you have the ability to do so right in the app. We can also provide this amazing functionality to our users. After setting that up, we'll go for the start. Here, we begin the trip and can inform the users that their journey has commenced. Additionally, we provide an SOS functionality for users who need to contact emergency services. Users can call the emergency contact they've saved in our settings. Let me show you. Within the settings, users can save their emergency contacts using this icon, the Add button. Now we await the completion of our journey. As the driver finishes the trip, then driver have the option to add toll charges if they paid them. Alternatively, if toll charges weren't paid, they can click the Cancel button. Once the trip concludes, users can view their invoice. The user's invoice includes detailed pricing information, encompassing the total fare, base fare, taxes, toll charges, miscellaneous fees, city tax, and the chosen payment method, such as cash. Similarly, drivers receive an invoice detailing the total trip amount, which mirrors the user's invoice, but also incorporates driver miscellaneous fees and taxes specific to the driver. Verified all details and click on the Submit button to finalize your invoice. Moving forward, users have the option to add a favorite driver to their list. After the ride, users can rate the driver's performance. Simultaneously, drivers are prompted to rate the user. Users are also able to give comments about their trip, and drivers can rate their passengers and leave comments as well. Once done, clicking on the Submit button finalizes the trip details. This is how we create a normal trip on our platform, using both the user app and the driver app. We hope you've gained a clear understanding of how the flow works within our user and driver apps. We greatly appreciate your time and the value you bring. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this demonstration has provided you with a good understanding of the flow within our applications. Thank you again for your time and for watching this video.